Vision Customer Information System, we're going to cover in this one goods outwards. This doesn't cover ordering though, that's done separately because that takes much longer to do. So this is just basically the other items in the goods outwards menu. So jumping over the enter orders, we have a thing called the address book. Now some customers like to use this and store the addresses in here. Other customers, they don't worry about it, they just use the postcode lookup every time. You'll notice that sometimes these screens take a little bit longer to load. When there is no information, it takes a lot longer to load than if there is information. But you should see the spinning wheel and it should load most of the things within about 5 to 10 seconds. Delivery addresses here, if I click on any of these I can actually update them, so it's fairly simple. Click on it and then all the information will appear and you will be able to update the information against the customer record. So I've clicked on here the China Tang, and you notice I can put delivery times, I can put instructions in, I can change the address, I can say who's going to pay the duty. So addresses are fairly easy to maintain. The next option down is held orders. Held orders will show you any orders that are in the system which are currently held. They could be held for a number of reasons. When we get orders from customers, we do multitudes of checks, whether there's enough deferment limit, whether credit hold, whether there's enough stock, whether the rotations are valid, whether the stock can be used for that type of order. So there are many things that are checked, and sometimes you'll find that orders do go on hold and can sit in here. If you want to view, you just simply hit the view button and it will show you what's on the order. Orders awaiting pick will give you, if there are any orders awaiting to be picked, they will give you a list below, and it simply shows the same thing, very similar to the held orders, same information. These orders are about to be picked. Once they've been picked, you can't do anything about them. They're actually beyond the stage where they have to be relanded on the system. But you can simply go into orders recently picked, hit search, and it will show you the list of orders that have recently been picked. This will only show you orders that have recently been picked in the past 72 hours. So it doesn't show you anything beyond that because there's far too many orders to bring up. And the final option in here is the delivery POD, where if you click on the delivery POD, you will be taken to a screen where you can see all the deliveries and the PODs that are available. It's very similar to the current VCIS system, and this page has yet to be added to the system, so when it does, we'll update this video so you can actually see what the page looks like and how it works. But for the moment, that covers the goods outwards, and if you're interested in the ordering, then if you look at the goods outwards ordering video.